Oh, okay. Then in the step 3, I have share the survey results of the step, the stated preference survey.
So once again, in the part 3 folder, you'll open the step 3 SP results example.
And column A shows the household questions. Column B, column B is the household members. Then column C is a very complicated one. Stated preference question. Then regions means how the answer. How answer code meanings, for example, the total monthly household incomes, owners' household runs, places, occupations, and reference monthly income, vehicle availability, driving license, travel. So the following informations also can be utilized for the people's characteristics along the BRT line too. Then you can see the, for example, HH column location information. Total monthly income, the following figure 0 to 11, 16, following values is included when you go. Yes, following numbers is defining the what kind of intergroups the samples categories. Using the sample analysis, following socioeconomic informations also. Then they go to the column 1, 2, 2. For column 1, yes, the socioeconomic characteristics of the samples by genders is summarized. So the workers, how many students is included. Then the vehicles availabilities, and the driving license holders, and the frequency of the following trips is described. And the people who makes any specific trips, the stated preference survey is asked. Now, most of the samples are public transport users as of today. Train is never used. Column 2. Then the best one, the result is this figure shows the evaluations on service aspects. And the total, male and female, and the non-car available or car available. I just pointed out. Then based on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the average score also developed. Then, what the characteristics of the public transport users for by their people's attribute also can be visualized. Level of comfort. And column 3 showing the answer of the stated preference questions. Then it is very, very complicated one. However, that so the motorcycles, travel time, travel cost, travel car, travel time cost, taxi, boda, bus, and proposed BRT is likely prepared. Yes, the travel time and travel cost of each travel mode is like this. Which mode do you want to use is asked. Then how many samples answer these questions also can be visualized. Then everyone wants to use so matters like that availability. Then based on this result, yes, same as shown in the previous presentations, and they developed their mode choice models. Then EX showing just the cross copy pivot tables. You can, for example, check it. Have you ever used these pivot tables? No one answered. Sometimes, yes. For example, this 0, 1, 2 meaning the gender. According to the gender, how many samples are distributed to each socioeconomic frame. This also can be easily shown. So somewhere you can try something. Gender. You can go to rows. Monthly comes to the row. Yes. Spatial must be deleted. So generally speaking, the higher income groups is distributed rather on male samples rather than females. Like this, such kind of basic, simple assumptions also can be developed. Okay, the time is constrained, so go to the presentation. Then this page shows the descriptions of the modal split models for this project. Then following just the motorized traffic is compared, and car, taxi, motorcycle, and public transport, and BRT. The nested logit models, which is grouped by the public, semi-public, and public and private and semi-public modes is developed. Then you can consider as travel times, travel cost if the negative values, meaning longer travel times. They don't use these travel modes. Costly also. And the parameter of travel times and travel cost is compared. Then how much is the travel time value? Meaning how much shillings per minute also can be estimated. I'm not sure. And surprisingly, the students are more high value of times rather than worker because of some. This one reflecting about the current status in Kenyan peoples. On the other hand, the non-home-based trips, meaning the so-called business trip, your workplaces to their workplaces. In that cases, that they are very sensitive about the travel time. So the time values is showing you much higher values. Then sometimes the low these values, meaning the so-called fitting ratio for the parameters, and the 0.2 to 0.4 is a reasonable results. In that cases, this one is a so-called affordable limit. Then you can see some values showing the t values must be higher than 2. However, some values, because the taxi is showing the very limited answer, so the taxi is showing the very small t values. Public transport is also, however, this is also so-called. Like this, then based on their stated preference survey, mode choice models was developed, and this one is used for the future projection of the future trip demands by travel modes.